New details also came to light over alleged irregularities in the tendering process for Wang Fuk Court's major renovation works, with some records unfavorable to the winning bidder Prestige removed. Multiple bidding companies were also found to have links with the winning bidder. In the hearing today, the independent committee's lead barrister Victor Dahl cited the Competition Commission's findings, which revealed that a number of contractors may have influenced the tender outcome through coordinated actions. One of the bidding companies, Megapraise Construction, is partly owned by Chung Yin Kam, the wife of Hao Wa-kin, who's the director of Prestige. Hao, Chung, and their two business partners had opened another company. The two partners own Senhui and Sunarts respectively, which also filed tenders for the renovation project. The director of Whiteley Construction, which also tendered a bid, worked with Prestige Hao for 4 years. Another bidder, Man Sing, whose shareholders Tam Chi Man and Hao jointly own another company, shares an office with Prestige. That means, including the winning bidder for Wang Fuk Court's renovation project, Prestige, 6 bidding companies have links to Hao Wa-kin. However, these companies did not disclose their relationships during the bidding process. The inquiry committee had written to Hao for an explanation, but Hao says some companies were only shared tenants with them. Engineering consultancy firm Willpower assisted in evaluating the bids. In writing the tender evaluation report, Willpower claimed that Prestige had no criminal records, but the firm had in fact been convicted 24 times for occupational safety breaches. A Willpower employee testified that after completing the analysis, the report was handed over to Director Wang Hap-yin. When Wang handed the information back to him for verification, the employee noticed that report had been amended with some adverse records removed. The employee raised questions to Wang, who later said the alteration could be ignored. Another director of Willpower, Ng Yerk, who is the only registered inspector of the project, was also found to have failed his inspection duties during the tendering process and may have just rubber-stamped all submissions. Separately, the hearing reviewed irregularities in the voting process for the renovation works. Although around 300 residents attended a special owners meeting in early 2024, over 500 votes were counted and some residents reported that votes were cast in their names without authorization.